side. And I had a friend, her name was Fern and she had a blue bike. So we'd ride through the streets, I would sleep over on Saturday nights. Then I went to school, my family moved to a village nearby. At 13 years old, I started drawing back under my eyes. Cause I'm a boy, first time I kissed him, my lip was so lost. Cause I got afraid, and everyone there started moving too fast. Moving too fast, 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 moving too fast. Started moving too fast. These are the moments.